How to remove Google account from Chrome. First is by opening your Chrome app and then make sure to close all of the apps that you have and click on the plus button right here. Once you have done that, simply click on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on your name right here or your profile. Click on sign out right here and you may choose to clear the data or keep the data that you have. So click on clear data if you want and wait for it to load. You may go back and then there you go. You have now removed Google account from your Chrome. So just to recap, make sure to close all of the open tabs on your Chrome and click on plus and go to your profile found on the upper right. Choose the account that you have and then click on sign out. So that's it. That's how you can remove Google account from Chrome.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.